How's everybody doing? I just want to first thank the university for bringing me back out here. It's an honor and a blessing to really be here and speak to you guys. So, this is a poem I wrote very recently. It's called Unity. And in order to start the poem off properly, I need everyone to clap with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I was born a math mind. Fascinated with a unit of measurement, to me, the beauty of life is that she walks in a uniform of equations because math is universal. Water is 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. A blue flame is 1,670 degrees Fahrenheit. A gust of wind between 50 and 60 miles per hour is considered damaging, and I don't need to tell anybody in here about that. It takes approximately 24 hours for the sun to lap our earth. Math is built into the very elements that sustain our lives. I am a math mind, a student of symmetry. In grade school, I would take my M&Ms and my Skittles and I would divide them into their respective categories of color because making sure that the table was symmetrical and pleasing to the eye were synonymous to me. The yellows, the oranges, the greens, the reds, they were only whole when split from each other and visibly separated. Subconsciously, that mentality bled over into the lunchroom. The math in the lunchroom is incredible. We divide ourselves into separate groups that share one common denominator, and we pride ourselves on being our own entity, our own one, our own whole. This is the jock table. Everyone here plays sports. They are their own one. They are their own whole. This is the nerd table. Everyone here lacks the ability to socialize effortlessly. They are their own one. They are their own whole. This is the Spanish table. Everyone here speaks in beautifully rolling R's and squiggly Ny's. They are their own one. They are their own whole. This is the Muslim table. Everyone here has been dehumanized by American pop culture since 2002. They are their own one. They are their own whole. Can everyone clap with me one more time on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. The day we did the oil and water experiment in chemistry was the day I understood Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He was a man trying to mix oil and water. 2 groups that declared themselves their own one and their own whole, they would not mix. But Martin Luther King understood the math and the equation. In order to demonstrate unity, in order to become one, we needed to become fractions so that you and I would unify together as one. That man gave his life trying to mix oil and water, trying to do the impossible. But in order for him not to fail, we must continue to demonstrate unity. Let me show you what that looks like. Everyone, for the last time, could you clap with me on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.